This is a song about love, and it's very ingeniously called Lovely, Lovely Love. By the way, don't talk during it, or I'll find you after the show. Love, lovely, lovely, lovely love. Ooh, ooh. We were in love, like a sitcom, mom and dad. No, not just a fad, but the only constant in the world. We'd have separate beds, one for the boy and one for the girl. It was implied, it was no lie, that when the cameras were off, we would give it a whirl. That line's about me having sex with a girl. She was the last thing I think of at night and the first thing at dawn. Okay, I don't really look like someone who gets up at dawn, but it worked a lot better for the rhyming scheme of this song. Oh, oh, that zany, crazy, jealous love, like when she'd be holding a puppy and I'd get really insanely jealous of the puppy because the puppy's paw would be slightly touching her boob and I'd go, hey, 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 That's where I go. She was the last. I'd high-five her when she'd fart, cause I knew from the start that it was love, it was true, cause ignoring girls' farts what love got the power to do. Yeah. She was the queen of my heart, and I knew from the start that we'd be together. That one doesn't really work though, does it? Because when you say that someone's the queen of your heart, you're sort of doing them a wrongness, aren't you? Because you're sort of saying that they had a kind of a birthright to it, and that doesn't really make any sense, does it? That's kind of weird and creepy. She was more like the Prime Minister, the PM of my heart, and I knew from the start she was chosen and elected to be the... We didn't vote on it though, did we? So that's kind of weird too, isn't it? She was more like the rebel leader who staged a coup and stole my heart and became the fearless dictator. Oh my God, she was the Hitler of my heart, and I knew from the start that we'd be together, and I didn't really have much of a choice. So the Hitler of my heart, I liked her brains and she liked my brawn. That was an Eva Braun joke. Love. Now I'm suddenly realizing that the similarities between my girlfriend and Hitler are becoming eerily numerous. They both spoke German. They both had a little hair on their upper lip. They both liked to paint, but I don't think that's what I'll remember them for. They both had less than the usual amount of testicles. Ooh, ooh. They both had a really awkward, horrible previous thing that made them want to be really controlling in the following thing. In her case, it was a previous relationship that made her want to be really controlling of me. And in Hitler's case, it was... Well, lads, obviously now that's a joke about post-World War I politics and the sanctions imposed on Germany by Europe and the rest of the world, resulting in a kind of a bottleneck melting pot, which created the tense situation. That baby knows. It's created a tense situation that eventually resulted in the rise of Hitler and World War II. But that's a bit of a joke there. Also, they both fucking hated Jews. Oh no! She was the Hitler of my heart, and I knew from the start that we'd be together, and I didn't really have much of a choice. So it was love, lovely, lovely love, lovely, lovely, lovely love, accidentally anti-Semitic love, and it goes ooh. Thanks.